Mama ko ba? Dapat nagsala-sala kayo dun. Exercise ka. Pabandak po kayo laon. No, exercise ka? Bawal daw ito. Kasta-kasta. Napinaikatin mo natin. Nakapagod na nga eh. Nakapagod na. Super oily ka like me. Very sensitive sa skin. Alam mo yung struggle ng hindi mo alam kung siyang ka ba or lalo kang tatamaan ng breakouts. I tried a lot of cleansers before. Yung iba, sobrang drying. Yung iba naman, parang walang nangyayari sa color. When I tried the fluid salicylic acid cleanser, pareho sa bawal. It helps control excess oil. It helps control excess oil without that high, uncomfortable feeling after washing my face. For someone with sensitive skin, hindi siya hard. Hindi siya yung cleanser na feeling ko sinisunod ang sinasyo. Over time, I noticed my skin feels clearer for longer, less busy during the day, and mas calm yung breakouts ko lalo na sa oil. I use it once or twice a day, depending sa oil level ng skin ko, especially sa season. If you're trying, if you're oily and sensitive like me, this might be a weird thing, but always touch this first, okay? Super oily ka like very sensitive sa skin mo. Alam mo yung struggle ng hindi mo alam kung hilang ka ba or lalo kang nagkasakit ka. I tried so many cleansers before. Yung iba sobrang drying, yung iba naman parang walang effect sa oilness ko. When I tried the food salicylic acid